Okay. Good morning. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no talking, no smoking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until you are addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a leveled surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Ms. Walker, Alicia Walker?
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Alicia LaShawn Walker. This is ticket SP 9992681. One count fraudulent false insurance information. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tim Malachi, P72339, on behalf of Ms. Walker. Ms. Walker, please state your name for the record.
Alicia Walker.
Thank you, Ms. Walker. Your Honor, at this time, would waive the formal reading, stand mute.
All right, this time the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. I'll set aside the bench warrant that is out there, or the warrant that's out there on behalf of her. How are we proceeding?
Judge, at this time, we're just going to be continuing a plea of not guilty and ask for a pretrial date.
I'm going to set this for a pretrial date, ma'am, on the date of June 9th. By that time, Ms. Walker, you need to be able to actually be on Zoom where we can see you. Because if you're going to bring in documents, we have to be able to see the documents, and we can't see them when you're on the phone, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so we'll see you back June 9th at 8:30 a.m. I'll set your bond at $0, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, you're all set, okay, ma'am?
Thank you. You have a great day.
You too, thank you. John Whitmore?
Good morning, how you doing?
Good morning, I'm fine, thank you. All right. Now calling the matters of the people versus Sean Whitmore. I'm just gonna call the tickets for the record. Ticket numbers. Ticket number SP 1372956, counts 1 and 2. Ticket number SP 1416096, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ticket number SP 1033737, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ticket number SP 1400439, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ticket number SP 1400444, count 1. Ticket number SX 414745, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ticket number SP 13039937, counts 1 and 2. What you looking at outside? You need to get something to make it so you don't have to look around, Mr. Whitmore.
Huh?
I said you were looking to the side. I was making sure you weren't looking for something. You good?
Oh, yeah? Okay.
Okay, all right. Ticket number SP 1303942, count 1. Ticket number 4969330, count 1. Ticket number SP 1179366, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ticket number SP 1157262, count 1. Ticket number SP 115726, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ticket number SP 1103434, count 1 and 2. Ticket number SP 1061389, counts 1 and 2. Ticket number SP 1055066, count 1. Ticket number SP 1053436, counts 1 and 2. Ticket number SP 1040099, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ticket SP 1408893, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ticket number SP 1281790, counts 1 and 2. Ticket number SP 1281267, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ticket number SP 1202903, counts 1 and 2. Ticket number SP 1055044, count 1. Ticket number SP 1366626, count 1. Ticket number SP 1366626, count 2. Is the count 3 on that ticket as well? Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tim Malafide on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record.
Sean Whitmore.
Thank you, Mr. Whitmore. Your Honor, there have been recommendations put forth. We'd like to take advantage of those recommendations. Judge, based on the amount of tickets that we have here, I would just tell the court to refer to the sheet that was written up for 4/12/2023 by Madam Prosecutor. We would like to take advantage of the recommendations as they are written down on that agreement.
Okay, if that's the case, sir, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes.
Okay. Get them in the groups that they're supposed to be in. First, taking you to the date of October 26th of 2022. At that time, were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Grand River and Mendota Street, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you're driving that vehicle, did you fail to display a valid operator's license to the officer who stopped you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and from the ticket, he also had tinted windows as well as no proof of insurance, registration, and or plate violation. Taking your attention, sir, to the date of November 18th, 2022, were you driving a Pontiac vehicle in the area of 75 and Rosa Parks in the city of Detroit?
Yes,
You were in
ma'am.
the service drive of it. You said yes?
Yes.
And while you were driving, was your license suspended at that time or denied?
Yes, ma'am.
Did the vehicle also not have any car insurance on it at the time, sir?
I believe so. I had just bought it. Like,
Okay.
just bought
Well,
it.
you know whether or not you had car insurance on it at the time. I'm saying you believe so. Did you have car insurance or not, Mr.?
The lady said she had on there, but you know how people
No,
is,
sir,
I
sir,
don't
no.
know. No.
The lady, or let me ask you a different question. It's okay. Did you purchase car insurance for that vehicle that day?
No. No, I didn't.
Okay, all right, thank you. All right.
Judge?
And then, yes.
I don't want to interrupt the flow here, but it would be helpful if you could just tell me which ticket we're on, because I'm trying to follow along.
Okay, we're on ticket number X 4147451.
Thank you.
Okay, and we've already done tickets 1400444 and 1400439.
Okay.
Okay, all right. Also, and this is a civil infraction, so I will just read into the record that the registration or plate had expired on that vehicle at that time. All right, sir, this is ticket number SP 1372956. Sir, I want to take your attention back to the date of July 19th of 2022. Sir, at that time, were you driving a Pontiac vehicle in the area of Greenfield and Finkel, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you're driving that vehicle, was your license suspended at the time, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And did that vehicle not have any car insurance on it at the time, sir?
Yes, ma'am. It did not.
All right. Then bringing your attention now to the date of December the 17th of 2022. This is ticket number SP 1416096. This is going to be counts 1, 2, and 3. Sir, I want to take your attention to that date of December 17th of 2022. That time, were you driving a Chevy vehicle in the area of Chalfont and Hubble in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And was the vehicle unregistered or untitled at the time, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
And it had improper plates on it because of that?
Yes, ma'am.
I mean, you failed to display a valid operator's license to the officer who stopped you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And finally, this is ticket SP 1033737. This should be the last set of tickets. Is that right, Attorney Malafide?
That seems correct. Yes, Your Honor. The 1, 2, and 3 on this one, right?
Yep, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
All right, sir, I want to take you back to the date of November the 2nd of 2019. At that time, were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of Whitcomb and Chalfont in the city of Detroit, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you fail to display a valid operator's license to the officer?
Yes, ma'am.
And counsel reading into the record that he also failed to show proof of insurance as well as failed to stop for a stop sign. All right.
Very good, Your Honor.
Satisfied?
Judge, I am satisfied as to all of the misdemeanor counts. As to the civil infraction counts, we would stipulate to the face of the ticket. Judge, we would also stipulate to the dismissals in the remainder of the tickets.
All right. Thank you. So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea on all the matters read into the record today. The remaining tickets will be dismissed without prejudice as a part of the plea. I really want to lecture you, Mr. Whitmore, but you actually came to court today. So I'm gonna keep my lecture to a minimum. But I will say this, don't you ever get this many tickets and not show up?
Yeah, that wasn't how it happened. I was paying some of my old tickets, and when I called a case for a different county, it set my payment back. It put a warrant out when I missed my payment. So when I had to get the warrant canceled, it was like I was getting tickets in between. But I was never missing my court days. I was always paying them until I got caught up with other counties.
But you did not come to some court case.
Yeah,
Thanks,
Mr. Whitmore. Mr. Whitmore, the correct answer is just sorry. No, just try sorry.
Yes, I apologize.
There you go.
You got all these tickets.
Yeah,
and you
just sorry.
And here's the thing, for misdemeanors, you have to come to court. So at some point in time, I can look on the back and see that you didn't. So like your attorney said, don't comment. I'm just lecturing now, okay? I'm just lecturing on the fact that I have tickets where you didn't come for whatever reason. I know sometimes in our head, we give ourselves justifications why we didn't make it to court that day or why we're not coming because we got other stuff to handle. But if you come in and handle it, we'll get you on a payment plan in our county and then you won't have to worry about it. So maybe you can attempt to get some of this stuff back in order. All right,
You're on.
so on the civil infraction tickets, let me see. He had 4 civil infraction tickets, right?
I think it was more than that actually, but let's look. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4. So I see the 4 that are listed here. Yes.
I have 5. I don't know what.
Is it possible, Judge, I'd have to look, but is it possible that one of the ones they have here listed under guilty might have been a civil infraction? So like SP 1416096 counts 1, 2, and 3 is maybe one of those.
Yeah. It's the registration plate expired. It's the X ticket. X or
Yeah. That'd do it.
Yep, that's the one that count 3 is a civil infraction. Okay.
Yeah.
So on the civil infractions, you have the stop sign, which is 120. No proof of insurance is 195. You have 2 of those, no proof of insurance. Then you have tinted windows, that's 120, and the expired plates is 145. So that's $775 in and of itself. Typically, you have 14 days to pay civil infractions. I'm gonna give you some more time, but what I advise you to do is to come down here and set up a payment plan. Because I'm also going to charge you, Oh, you know what? I missed one too. Registration and or plate violation.
You read 4, I thought, Judge.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know what? One of these tickets is straight civil infraction.
Yeah, that 392 is straight for civil, right?
439. Yep. 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah. No, that's what I got here. So I don't think you missed. I mean, you read 4 in to the record just in terms of your costs.
170. Oh, that one's 170. All right, so that's $945.
Well, hold on,
Just
Judge.
said-
Hold on. That's something seems, well, no, I guess maybe that number does
No,
track.
fail to stop for a stop sign. It's a no proof of insurance. Those are both civil infractions. That's on ticket 737, counts 1 and 2.
Right,
on
but
ticket-
I'm just doing the math. So it's 170, 195, right?
170. One of the tickets has 120, 195, 170. Then another ticket has 120, 195.
Well, on
And the
stop,
last-
because now we just, hold on. We just went over 4 tickets though.
I know, because some of these tickets that appeared on there must not be. So
Okay,
let me
fair
pull the
enough.
sheet.
Okay, that's
Now I
fine.
have 6 civil infractions. Let me make sure I did all the right ones because they're on solid.
As long as the number still reaches 15, I'm totally fine with that. They can be all civil infractions as far as I'm concerned.
10, 11, 12, 13. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14. It's 15 tickets.
All right, yeah, fine. That's great. Then, yeah, if there are more civil infractions in there, that's good news, not bad news. I'm not going to fight that.
All right, and then. So we are 9:45. All right, then I'm gonna do. Charge you additional $200 on 3 tickets. That's additional $600. The remaining tickets in this chunk, I'm gonna waive the cost and fine.
Thank
Now,
you, Your
sir.
Honor.
You're welcome. You're gonna have reinstatement fees on some of these tickets, even ones that were dismissed today. I don't know how many you are gonna have, but I can tell you right now, looking at them, it's probably gonna be a few of them. And that's a $45 cost on those tickets. I can't
We just-
waive those.
Yeah, we discussed all of this, Judge. If it helps the court, and I don't know, because it does sound like you know, he's going to have to go downstairs to, get a payment plan anyway, but I can tell Your Honor what the lay of the land is here. So we kind of did the math already, just going through, and our,
Okay.
roughly speaking, with the reinstatement fees, with the cost that we anticipated on this one, we were coming to something in the realm of around 4,000, which we thought was a little bit high, but that was roughly where we were at. Judge,
Hopefully it's that high. Yeah.
what's that?
I said, hopefully he won't be that high.
I hope so too, but that was just the assumption we were working with. So the issue Mr. Whitmore has right now is that he has there are a lot of people that want money from him right now in terms of courts. He has obviously top on his list. It's going to be Oakland County. He's paying $800 a month to them in terms of probation, and that just basically started. So he's going to be on that, I'd say, for a minimum another 6 months, probably another year and a half. So that one's not going to go down. The good news / bad news is that he also owes money for not a big shocker here. There were other jurisdictions where he also had gotten tickets. Madison Heights, Roseville, was it Ferndale, sir?
Ferndale, Monroe.
Yeah, Ferndale and Monroe. And he is paying off tickets in all of those jurisdictions as well. Now, those are much lower numbers than what we're working with. So eventually those will fall off. But the problem is that, as you can imagine, there are his money's being pulled in a lot of different directions right now, but his employment is going to go up once the summer months hit. And so his hope was that what he'll be able to do is sort of have a, he'll get whatever works for him down in the payment plan with the payment plan folks, but then he'll be able to exceed what his payments are supposed to be once, we get into June, and then sort of start picking up from there.
Okay. I mean, I can give him some time so he can get onto a payment plan so that he doesn't have to, he just has to come down here and set up that payment plan.
Yeah.
So he has to physically come in and make
Yeah.
sure he takes care of all of these costs and fines.
Yeah.
I think that's fair. I think that's fair. So if I give you $3 months to come down here and set up a payment plan, is that enough time for you, Mr. Whitmore?
Way more than enough.
Yeah, I'd suggest you come down earlier than that, Mr. Whitmore, because I wouldn't be shocked, if it falls off of,
If I can get
comes
a
off
ride,
of your
I'll come
mind in
in
3 months. Yeah, so the sooner you can probably do it, the better. Oh, one other thing, Judge, just so the court is aware, and this is, I wish this were not so, and it's not necessarily Mr. Whitmore's fault. This is just the law on this one. One of the more unfortunate parts of this is that Mr. Whitmore has never had a license, which means that he's not going to be able to get a license for 3 years, which
3
is,
years. I was gonna say 3 years.
I know it's a bummer. I wish it were not so, but that is just a fact.
Yeah.
So
There's
what
nothing I
if I
can
make
do
my
about it.
payment? What if I make my payments in full? I still have to wait.
They won't.
What,
So
like
thing
Mr.
that
Whitmore, we talked about this. This isn't about the
Yeah,
judge.
yeah,
This
yeah.
isn't about
About
us.
the
It's a
money.
statute. Like, we can't control that. It's a bad
Okay.
statute. I wish it didn't exist, but it is still the law.
I understand.
So
Yeah.
so when you don't have a license and you drive, they penalize you for continuously driving and getting tickets. So there's nothing we can do about that portion of it, but 3 years will be here in no time. I promise. And then hopefully you'll have all this paid off and taken care of by then, so that way there's no issues with you being able to get your license and take care of this. Because I know you don't want to drive around looking over your shoulder, trying to see who's by you. You want to be able to actually drive and get home legit.
And be peace.
Okay, all right, so I'm just gonna put everything to be due no later than July 13th, 2023. So that will give him more than enough time to come down here and set up a payment plan for these tickets that he needs to pay back to the court, okay?
Judge, might it be
All right.
wise to maybe have a return date just to check up and see how he's doing? Like a review, a 6-month review date or
You don't
something?
wanna pay, Mr. Whitman? Are you gonna pay for these tickets? Cause I'm not putting all these tickets back on my docket,
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
okay?
I need my
I mean,
license
it's
back.
up to you. Let me tell you why. It's up to you to take care of these tickets, right? And so I'm giving you more than enough time to come down here, and I understand you're not gonna, I would, that's a lot of money. I'm not asking you to give us $200, which is a lot of money for some folks too, still. I'm asking you to come up with, close to almost $2,000 worth of tickets. But it's your responsibility, just like you decided to come to this court and handle all your business, it's your responsibility to now come down here, go down on the first floor and tell them I need to set up some type of payment plan so that I can pay this court back. And do you want me to look over you about this, or are you gonna be a responsible adult and take care of this on your own?
Be responsible.
He said he was gonna be responsible, so I'm gonna trust him. I'm gonna trust that he's responsible, because at this point, he's taking care of his tickets. So now it's up to him, because if he doesn't pay it, the longer you wait to pay it, the longer you're gonna have to wait to get that license back. Because I'm telling you, 3 years will be here in no time, and they will not let you have your license unless the tickets that they need to have paid are paid. They just won't. They'll look at you and tell you, you must go back. You must get all those finished. So once you finish paying these tickets, you need to go to the, like, Secretary of State's office. Give yourself enough time and pull everything, making sure you're taking care of every single thing out of every single jurisdiction, so that when it is time, you can just go up there with a clear conscience and get your license, okay?
Okay.
All right. I don't think listen, he's gonna take care of this. He's a man of his word. I believe it.
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Okay, so he's gonna take care of this, but I'm just giving that much time so that he's able to take care of his business and make sure that he puts himself on a payment plan so that he can pay us back and doesn't have to feel as much pressure. Because that's a lot of money coming from everywhere. So, and I understand that. So give him a number that you can really work with too. Don't come down here lying and aiming for the stars. Just tell him a number that's good with what you have to give up every month for the other areas as well, okay?
Okay.
All right, that's the best I can do today. I tried to give you a little break, but I can't take away all your tickets, okay?
I appreciate the help.
No problem. All right, well, thank you so much. Good luck to you. I know you're gonna be able to do this, and in 3 years, just sign back on and show me you have your license. That'll be awesome.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you, sir.
Thank
Have
you,
a
Your
good
Honor.
day.
You're welcome. Thank you.